Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can add EA Sports FC25 game on your Steam. Guys, first open up the Steam, go to your Steam library, and here on the left and bottom you will find the option of add a game. So just click on this option of add a game you are seeing on the left and bottom. Now here you will see the option of add a non-Steam game on the top. So just click on this option of add a non-Steam game, and then here just wait for it, and if it will show the option to select your FC25 game, then just select it. And if this does not give you the option to select your FC25 game, then just click on the browse option, and here you just need to locate the folder where your game is installed. So just go to the folder where your game is installed, which is the FC25. Then just select your game launcher or the game executable file or the exe file where the game launches. Then just click on the open. So once you add it to the add non Steam games, then just check this box or just tick your FC25 game, then just click on the add. Now the game was added to your Steam, then just click on the game, then just click on the play, and this is how you can add the FC25 game on your Steam. And if you find this video helpful, please like it, and bye bye.